Hallå, hur fan är läget? Today we're gonna be doing some fun shit. We have 4 very important things to change today. We're gonna change this thing, and this, and this, and these. So today we're going to be changing the airbox cover from the blue one to a black one, because having the blue one in the back, it looks kind of weird with the rest of the kit. We're also going to be putting on a new seat cover from a Nitro. We're also going to put on some nice forkshrinks by Factory Army. And we're also going to put on some nice ZMT Publicity carbon tan covers. And I think it's gonna look real fucking good. And we're gonna start off with the airbox cover because that is the most complicated, I think, because we have to dismount basically the whole bike from the tank and back. So yeah, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Monster Energy Drinks. Great taste. It seems I have once again met my greatest enemy. The spring. I hate this motherfucking spring with a passion. This thing took me like 18 tries last time to get on.
18 naked cowboys.
18 naked cowboys in the chain ranch. And now I'm gonna have to try and get it off again. Which is probably gonna take me 18 another tries. So yeah, I guess we'll just fucking try to get this thing off. Let's go. Come on! Come on! Well, it seems I broke the spring a little bit, but at least I got it off, and that's what matters. Hello! Yay. Look at this big cock. Look at this big cock. Look at this big cock. Oh. Always use a thread locker. Now we're going to remove these screws here, these 4 screws on each side, and hopefully we'll be able to just slide the entire fork off. Here's hoping. Fuck me. Well, it did slide out. Yeah, so that is how you get your fork out. The fast and easy way. Oh, wheelbarrow. So after that little skedaddle, we have gotten the forkshrinks on here. Right now I'm just using the heat gun to kind of melt it onto the fork. Just start from the bottom and go up. It's real easy. Just spin the fork and just go at it with the heat gun. That's all. That's about it. The next step is to do the seat cover, which is this. My Nitro. I only have this shitty stapler gun, so this might be a little bit difficult because it's pretty bad. Fucking. Oh
fan!
There you go. Yeah, I guess we're gonna try, otherwise we're gonna have to use this. So let's give it a shot, shall we? Just break. Okay, so the saddle is done. Many staples later, but it looks pretty good. Now we have one final step, guys. One final step, and that is to get the CMT Capacity carbon fiber tank cover on. So, the tank is on. Let's get carbonated. Oh my fucking god! Let's go! There we have it. Not all.
Mate.
So the bike is finished now. It looks super good. There's really all of this, all the details. It made a big difference. So I'll be posting more pictures on Instagram right here. Like this video, subscribe for more. Special thank you to Linus for helping me record. And also a very big thank you to Obama. Thank you so much for watching this video.